So this first one, we need to graph. And then the first one, we need to check the biggest y value on this Cartesian plane is only 16. So when we look at the y-intercept, it's 28 and 22, right? We cannot really use the first method that we've been practicing. So we need to come up with a different way to do it. So can you find
both x's -2?
So you want to start with a -2?
Yes.
Okay, so if you want to plug -2 here, that would be -6, right?
Which would make
But -6 plus 28 is still,
22.
so I don't think that will help. So you might want to go further.
That might be a place where they meet though, since y-intercept for that is 22 and for the other one.
Oh, I see. So you want to plug here -2,
Yes.
and then thinking that's -6 plus 28. So you might have a 22. So you will see potential answer as a solution is -2, 22, right?
Yep.
However, honey, if you plug -2
No,
here,
it has to have both numbers must
Yeah.
have the same answer.
yeah. So no,
That would
sorry.
make,
Because if you do that, that's
That would be
-4 plus
18.
22 and 18. This one is -2, 18. So therefore, one is -2, 22, and then the
how
other
about
one is.
try -3
So you want to try -3?
next? Yes.
Okay, so let's do that. You want to try -3,
That would make
-3 here.
-9. and
-9
6,
plus 28 is
19.
19.
Yeah.
Okay, so -3, 19 maybe.
Yeah.
And then here?
And then that would be -6.
-6 plus 22 is not
need to-
19.
No, that would be probably 16. Yeah, 16.
-3, 16.
Yeah, so you can put a dot.
So let's just start with this one, okay?
It's
We can at least have 1 point, right?
point at -3.
So -3,
16.
16, right?
Yes.
And then
And -4 would make it
you want to
negative.
do -4.
Yeah, -8.
So if you do
which would
-4,
be-
then what do you get?
That would be -8.
-8 plus
22.
22.
And if we break it down to if we break the -8 down
Uh-huh,
to -6 and -2,
uh-huh.
the -2 would make it 20, and then take away -8 would make it 14. So over down to
So you will have -4, 14.
Yep.
-4, 14 here.
next is 5.
And then what's the next one?
-5.
-5 and then
12.
12. And then -6 and
10.
10. -7 and
8.
8. So here's the thing, honey. This is a great idea. You start with 1 point, right? And then I look at the slope scale. What was the slope of this equation?
2.
2. That means your slope is 2, means 2/1. You go up 2 when you are going x for 1 unit.
Yep.
So it's like 2/1, right? So same thing from here. 15 and 16. Be careful, this is a 14 and 16, not 14 and 15.
For
So
15,
2,
just slice it in half.
exactly. So you will have something like this.
Yeah.
This one was the second graph, right?
Yeah.
Let's look at the first graph then.
is
you
3x
have
plus
negative
20.
3 comma 19. Pick something else. I don't like negative 3 and 19 because I cannot really show 19 here.
What's that when we
So-
try negative 3? Try negative
Or
4
negative
now.
7 or whatever. How about we
Negative
start,
4.
you want to start negative 4?
Yes,
Okay, so let's
because
do,
it's, yeah.
okay.
Wait, negative 4 times 3 would be
If you plug negative 4 for x, so 3 times negative 4 is
negative 12,
negative 12
which
plus
would
28 is,
well, it's a negative 10 and then negative 2, so if we take away 10 from 20, you get 10, and then take away 2 from 8, and you get 6, so that would make it 16.
so you have a negative 4 comma 16.
Yep.
Which is here,
Negative 4 comma 16.
okay?
Make a donut for
Very
this one.
good. And then what is the another point that we can possibly have?
Negative 5. That would make it negative 15.
So here, this is a 1 point, the slope is a 3, right?
Yes.
That means 3 over 1, right? When you go up 3 unit, you go to the right 1 unit, right? Another way of saying 3 over 1 can be written as a positive 3 over positive 1, right?
Yep.
So that's why we go up 3 and down 1, right?
Yep.
Sorry, you go up 3 and then move to the right for x value 1 unit. Another way of saying this is the same as this way.
Down
So
3,
down
up
3,
other way,
and then go to left 1.
yeah,
So from
down.
here,
It's hard to tell my
Right.
from left.
so
This is
from
my
here,
left hand.
1, 2, 3, right? And then left
15.
1.
So 5.
And then 1, 2, 3, left 1.
Wait,
Sorry.
what? Where? So
1, 2, 3, left to 1. 1, 2, 3, left to 1. So you're gonna have a graph like this way. We already know the answer is negative 4 comma 16, right?
yeah.
Yeah, so the solution is negative 4 comma 16. Okay, this is how you do it.
Troubled on the first one because
Mhm.
where do I let dots go? Or
Right.
my donuts, I meant.
Right,
I'm
Okay.
making them donuts too. That's
okay,
the
so let's
difference. Where do my
do,
donuts go?
let's do the next one.
I can't have it without the donuts.
Okay,
Or at least where do I put the miles? Again. Where do I put them?
Ray, do you have a computer with you?
I do not. Is it at the social studies assignment? Because I was working.
We are meeting at 10,
Oh, okay.
but you can start earlier, but you need to bring your laptop.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll
So
be back
this
at 10.
one, you know what? This one, we can actually start with the negative 2.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
A negative 2. Okay? So
They're
we
both
don't
negative
have to plug a number and then guess which one that we need to start. So let's do my y-intercept